Hello, my name is Charlie King with the South Carolina State Firefighters Association. We're asking for your help today. Over the past year, fire service organizations across the state have been working hard to pass legislation for firefighter cancer health benefit. Yesterday and today, a large group of you joined us at the State House as that went before our Labor, Commerce, and Industry Subcommittee and today the full committee for that bill to be passed on to the full House of Representatives. We were successful. That bill moves on. It was read out to the full House today, and it continues. Inside of that bill, if you're not familiar with it, Senate Bill 1071, it provides a benefit to firefighters who are diagnosed with cancer in South Carolina. If you've been a member of a department for 5 years consecutively, and it runs till 10 years post-retirement. That bill provides a $12,000 reimbursement for out-of-pocket expenses for co-pays, prescriptions, and the like. It provides a one-time $20,000 cash benefit to help with living expenses that could be missed out on from lost wages. And should the firefighter pass away from either the cancer itself or any complications from treatment, it provides a $75,000 death benefit. And as you can see, that is a huge benefit to firefighters across the state who continually each year we see those numbers rise in instances of cancers in our fire service. During the hearing yesterday and today, there were a few amendments that were made to the bill. Number one is that the firefighter and the department both have to be located within South Carolina. The Forestry Service or the organized fire department have to be South Carolina based. The firefighter has to be a resident of South Carolina as well. And as you move through the bill, there are a couple other changes. One of those is that it actually took the $3.5 million that was requested for funding out of the bill. The Labor, Commerce, and Industry Committee that heard the bill actually portrayed to us that they're not the authority that includes money. So we know the bill, as it continues to work through state government, will go before House Ways and Means or another group that has the ability to put that money with it. So why are we coming to you today? We need your help. We need you to, number one, is go to our website, scfirefighters.org/SCCancerBill. That web page gives you all the details and background about the firefighter cancer bill, how it was created, what it entails, and essentially leads you up to the process of where we are today. And you'll even be able to see the amended version that was passed by the House committee today. As number two, we want you to go and contact both your House of Representatives and your senators and reach out to them. Number one is we want you to thank them. Thank them for the work that they have done and the support that they have shown for the cancer bill in the past year. And thank them for just the hard work that goes on. These are very tough times financially and in the form of just the health and well-being of all citizens of the state of South Carolina. So number one, we're grateful for the service and the leadership they provide as our legislatures. And number two, we want you to ask them to continue to support it. The bill goes to the House floor again this week, and we want you to ask that your legislator continue to support it as it moves through, and that they continue to find ways to fund it to bring the program to a reality. Firefighter cancer is important to all of us. We're all able to name one, two, or even more members of our departments, friends, or even family that are members of the fire service that have been hit by this terrible disease. While we know that it's not the magic pill that would cure cancer, it provides the peace of mind and financial security for the member and his family when the terrible disease hits home. So again, we ask that today you reach out to your House of Representative members. You can find their contact information, if you don't already have it, by going to the South Carolina Legislature's website, or they have an incredibly valuable app that you're able to look up members' names or even follow legislation as it moves through. So again, please reach out to your House members and senators and thank them for their service and encourage them to continue to support Senate Bill 1071, their firefighter cancer benefit bill. Thank you, and thank you for your support and reaching out to your members today.